Thursday, June 9th, I'm Sharon Abobi, and this is Closing Price from Alt FNDATA. Tonight, European luxury closed higher, the watch retailers closed lower, and Signet and Ferrari both gained ahead of 5 watch auctions this week. The major European luxury names closed higher today. LVMH, ticker MC on Euronext Paris, closed at €492, up about 2% from Monday's 482. Kering, ticker KER, closed at €255, up about 2.5%. Hermes, ticker RMS, closed at €1,665, up about 1.3%. In Zurich, Richemont, ticker CFR, closed at 167.75 Swiss francs, up about 1.75%. Bloomberg reports that Wall Street rotated out of large technology stocks and into firms tied to improving growth. Oil fell, Treasuries held their gains, and gold slipped, trading near $4,280 an ounce. According to a poll by Reuters, economists predict that the Federal Reserve will hold rates this year, with rate cut expectations fading as war-driven inflation persists. The watch retailers closed lower today. Watches of Switzerland, ticker WOSG in London, closed at 694 pence, down about 2.25%. Swatch, ticker UHR in Zurich, closed at 201 francs, down about 0.5%. Several brands launched new watches this morning. From the listed groups, Swatch's Blancpain introduced the 50 Fathoms Tech, and LVMH's Hublot unveiled a collaboration built around the Antikythera mechanism. Independent brands were active too, with new pieces from Chrono Swiss, Yama, Favre Loewe, and Glashütte-based DUG. Signet, ticker SIG, parent of Kay, Sales, and Jared, closed at $86.75, up about 2.5%. The move follows Monday's announcement of a $50 million accelerated share repurchase. Chanel has named Marie-Laure Sarraide to lead its jewelry design. Sarraide previously led the studios of Cartier and Harry Winston across jewelry and watchmaking. Chanel is privately held, and Cartier is owned by Richemont, ticker CFR. Ferrari, ticker RACE, closed at $357, up about 1.75%. Bonhams will sell about 100 cars from the National Automobile Museum in Reno, Nevada this Saturday. Looking ahead, we have the Sotheby's Magnificent Jewels sale, which was in New York today, Christie's Important Watches tomorrow, Bonhams Watches in London on the 11th, Sotheby's Gem Drop and Christie's Paris Hermes handbag sales will be on the 12th, the Bonhams National Automobile Museum in Reno, Nevada, and the Phillips New York Watch Auction will both be on the 13th. The Sotheby's Important Watches sale will be on the 15th as part of a series of watch sales presented by the primary auction houses this week. Now for our sector snapshot. We have LVMH at a close of €492.3, an increase of 2% from 482.45. Kering at a close of €255.20, an increase of 2.5% from 249. Hermes at a close of €1,665.5, an increase of 1.3% from 1,643.5. Richemont at a close of 167.75 Swiss francs, an increase of 1.7% from 164.95. Swatch at a close of 201.2 Swiss francs, a decrease of 0.5% from 202.3. Watches of Switzerland at a close of 694 pence, a decrease of 2.3% from 710. Ferrari at a close of $357.52, an increase of 1.7% from 351.57. Signet at a close of $86.75, an increase of 2.6% from 84.56. Burberry at a close of 1,112.5 pence, an increase of 0.3% from 1,109. Signet at a close of $14.8, a decrease of 0.3% from 14.82. And for commodities, we have gold at a close of $4,279.7 US, a decrease of 0.2% from 4,286.4, and silver at a close of $65.33 US, an increase of 0.1 from 65.24. That's it on closing price for today, Tuesday, June 9th. I'm Sharon Abobi from Alt FNDATA. Open bid returns tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Eastern. Subscribe and follow for notifications, and please give us a 5-star rating on Spotify and Apple Podcast. I'll talk to you in the next episode, and thank you for listening.